Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a get ready with me video. I'm going to show you guys how I put on my makeup, and then I'll show you my outfit that I'm wearing for the day. I'm going to a friend's wedding who is a doctor from the hospital, so we are going with a couple of people. I might take you guys along probably, but if I don't, then I'll just show you guys how I get ready for the wedding. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so let's get right into the video. So first I'm gonna start with this Black Op Invisible Oil Blocking Primer, because it's quite hot, just so that I don't get like an oily face. So I'm gonna just put it mostly where my face tends to be a bit oily, which is my T-zone. So since I already have my eyebrows tinted, as you can see, and I had my eyelashes done like 3 days ago, they are supposed to last for a month. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my foundation. So this is my foundation, like my go-to foundation that I used to use, the Estee Lauder Double Wear, the Amber Honey. So currently I've run out of it, so for now I will have to improvise. So what I'm gonna use today is I'll use this Black Up. So I'm just gonna put some on my sponge. And then I'm gonna apply it on my face. Okay, so this is how my face looks like. Doesn't look too bad actually. So now I'm gonna contour it, so just to make it my face a bit lighter. So for contouring, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me contour thingy. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. I got it from Clicks. I bought it in Clicks actually. I'm just gonna apply some on my nose. And then some on my chin. And some on my forehead. And then some on the sides. So I'm just gonna go in again with my blender and blend the contour. Forgive me, I don't really know most of these makeup names, but I know how to use them, but I don't know how to describe them, so I'm sorry for that. So next I'm gonna use this black opal invisible powder. Sorry for it being messy. There's a powder that fell in my makeup bag, so that's why it looks a bit wretched. But yeah, I'm gonna use this black opal invisible powder just to set the face. So I don't like letting this bake because it makes me look a bit cakey when I let it bake, so I just immediately like blending it in. So apply some to my chin. So now I'm gonna go in with my contour palette. This contour palette I got from Clicks as well. It's actually almost done, and it's the one that actually opened up and messed up my whole makeup bag. But yeah, so this is what I'm using for my contour palette. Guys, this is wretched, but forgive me anyway. I'll get a new one. So I always just use the darker side of the palette, which is kind of like, yeah, it looks horrible, I know. So I just dip my brush into that part and then apply it to the side of my nose, just so that I can define my nose a bit. And I also go on the side of my cheek. I always like highlighting I love highlighting my cheeks and my nose, so I just apply this black up Pondray Sublime in the number 3 highlighter. This is how it looks like. Okay. So I just apply it to my cheeks. And then my nose. And my chin and forehead. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. And now I just wanted to shape my brows a bit, even though they're already done. So now I'm just gonna apply some mascara. So this mascara is by Rimmel, and it's the volume shake. I don't know if you can see. So difficult to apply this on camera. So I'm just applying some eyeshadow. I got this from Legit. Nothing fancy really. So now I'm just gonna add this Oh My Gloss by Rimmel as well on my lips. So I'm gonna finish off with this Rimmel Fix and Go spray. So it's just a setting spray for my makeup. I'm done. My camera is about to go off, so I'm just quickly gonna do my hair. I'm done doing my face. I'm gonna do my hair now. My hair is already, this is day 2 of my hair being blown out at the salon. So I just put it up in a high puff bun. So yeah, the curls are still intact, so I don't have to do much to the hair. So that is it for my makeup getting ready video. I'm just gonna get dressed and I'll show you guys how I look like for the finished look. So unfortunately I lost some of my footage. I don't know how, so I decided to add this small clip to show you guys my finished look. I don't even know what exactly I was saying in this video, but yeah, I just decided to edit to show you guys my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.